Okay, so here we are with the Benchy, and gotta say, it's the closest thing to injection molding that I've ever been able to print on any machine, and honestly it looks better than anything I've seen printed on any machine so far. Even the more expensive ones, the ones that go like in the thousands. So I think Alfawise with its U3 has done an amazing job. And as you can see here, I changed filament twice while it was printing, and it continued to print beautifully. These obviously are very easy to get rid of. All you need to do is just either use a soldering iron or sand them down, and they'll just come right off, even with your fingers mostly, like so. But wow, what a printer! What a printer!